Journal is a new app for iPhone that comes free from Apple. It was made available in iOS 7.2, which was released in December 2023, and it will be installed onto your iPhone automatically during that update. The Journal app lets us write about the big or small moments in life in order to reflect, think, and improve our well being. As you might expect, entries can include photos, videos, audio recordings, and locations. In this lesson, we're going to go through a few features that are built into the Journal app. Once the app is launched, we have a simple interface. Just tap on this Add button down here to begin a new entry. On the next screen, we come to the first main feature of Journal, and that's journaling suggestions. Tap Customize, and we can see what sort of suggestions can be made. We're able to toggle these on and off. So if you don't want journaling suggestions coming after a workout, that can be deactivated here. Suggestions can also be sent for media that you've recently listened to, contacts that you've had a recent phone or text conversation with, photos that you've taken or that have been shared with you, and locations that you've been to with your iPhone. This is an example of a suggestion notification that I received from Journal that applied to a morning hike. The suggestion arrived in the evening of the same day as the hike. So if I did choose to write about it, the memory is still going to be fresh. Back in the Journal app, when we tap to add a new entry, suggestions from my photos library will appear, as well as simple reflection suggestions, which are here to encourage you to write about a memory or an experience that you've had. Just tap to jump into the new entry with that suggestion. To start with a blank entry, just tap the New Entry button up here. Now we can begin writing, adding photos or videos, taking photos or videos from the camera, recording an audio clip, or we can add a location to the entry. Tap this button to see the list of suggestions again. Tap the ellipsis button up here to add a custom date to the entry. So if I wanted to write about a party that I went to last weekend or last month, I could select the correct date to save that entry for. Tap Done to save and exit to your list of entries. Swipe right on an entry to bookmark it. Swipe left to edit or delete it. We can also get these options from the ellipsis button here. Next, let's jump into the Journal section of the Settings app and create a journaling schedule. Here, rather than getting notifications for journaling suggestions, we can set a specific time each day to get an alert to write in our journal about whatever we feel like at the time. So maybe 9 p.m. during the week is good. With this on, I'll now get an alert to journal at these times each day. Next, we can lock our journal to keep it private. Just turn this on and Touch ID is going to be required to open the Journal app. Journal entries are encrypted and synced with iCloud. So if your iPhone is lost or destroyed, your journal entries can still be recovered from your iCloud backup. As more and more entries are added to Journal, we can use filters to quickly view entries that contain photos, audio, saved locations, or only those that have been bookmarked. One feature that does seem to be missing is a search function to find a specific name or phrase within an entry. Maybe that will be added in a future update. So that's a quick overview of the new Journal app. It can be a great way to reflect on the day and help you retain memories. Currently, it's only available on iPhone with iOS 17.2 and later. I would anticipate a Journal app for iPad and Mac will come along in the next year as well.